You're carrying the same wallet, using the same tools, and shaving the same way you did 5 years ago. These 18 gadgets fix that. One literally sees through walls. Another turns your finger into the only key you'll ever need. Comment which one you think is number 1. I promise it's not what you expect. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Starting at 18. Number 18. This light bulb floats. No wires, no tricks. Magnetic levitation keeps it spinning above the base while it glows. I put this on my desk and 3 people asked where I got it within a week. $56 for something that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Works as a nightlight, conversation starter, or proof that you have taste. At 17, a beard trimmer with a built-in vacuum. It catches 95% of the hair before it hits your sink. 20 adjustable lengths, waterproof, 90 minutes cordless, $24. I used to spend 10 minutes cleaning my bathroom counter after every trim. Now the hair just disappears into a little chamber. Your girlfriend or roommate will thank you. Number 16. A cocktail smoker with a real torch. Load the smoke board with one of 8 wood chip flavors, torch it, cover your glass, lift, and smoke pours out like a movie scene. $130. A smoked old-fashioned at a bar runs $15 minimum. This pays for itself fast. The look on your buddy's face the first time is worth it alone. At 15, the HOTO electric precision screwdriver. This doesn't look like a tool. It looks like Apple designed it. 48 bits displayed on a magnetic pad like a surgical kit. Shadow-free LED light. 2 torque settings. $60. I fixed my sunglasses, laptop, and a doorknob in the same afternoon. The unboxing alone feels like an event. Number 14. The Tacray MP1. It's a pen, until you twist it apart and find a box cutter, glass breaker, flathead and Phillips drivers, tungsten tip, stylus, and pencil. All titanium, all hidden in something the size of a regular pen. $49 for the most useful thing in your pocket. The bolt-action click is dangerously addictive to fidget with. At 13, a laser tape measure and a physical tape in one device. The Fanttik A10 Pro shoots a laser 165 feet while the tape handles close measurements. Color IPS screen shows both readings simultaneously. $70. I was mounting shelves last weekend and measured the wall, the brackets, and the gap behind the couch without switching tools once. 2 tools, 1 hand, 0 guesswork. Number 12. The Laifen P3 Pro. Reviewers keep calling it the Apple of electric shavers and the comparison tracks. CNC machined aluminum body, dual linear motors doing 12,000 cuts per minute, USB-C fast charge, waterproof, 100-minute battery, $180. My old electric shaver cost the same and felt like sandpaper. This one glides. The build quality alone makes it feel worth double. At 11, the Meter Pro. A completely wireless meat thermometer, no wires at all. Stick the probe in, walk away, and your phone tells you exactly when it's done. Dual sensors handle internal temp and ambient heat up to 1,000 degrees. $130. I overcooked every steak before this. Now I get compliments instead of apologies. Top 10. Everything below this line costs more, does more, and surprised me more. One of the next 5 floats, 1 dances, and 1 replaces every cable on your desk. Top 10. Number 10. The Anker Nano. A power bank with a built-in USB-C cable, a foldable wall plug, and 30-watt fast charging. One device replaces your cable, your charger, and your power bank. Pocket-sized. $50. Last trip I packed a charger, a cable, and a power bank in 3 different pockets. Forgot the cable at the hotel. Now I grab this one thing and nothing gets left behind. At 9. The Novium Hoverpen. A pen that defies gravity. It floats at a 23-degree angle above its magnetic base. No batteries, no electricity, just calibrated magnets and German engineering. $99. I keep this on my desk, and every single person who walks by picks it up, tries to figure it out, and asks where to buy one. The best desk accessory doesn't need to plug in. Number 8. A speaker with magnetic fluid inside a transparent chamber. Play music, and the Ferrofluid dances, morphs, spikes, and flows in real time with every beat. Touch controls, 360 sound, RGB lighting, $100. I turned this on at a dinner party and conversation stopped. Everyone stared at the liquid moving. It's hypnotic. I've had 5 speakers on this desk. This is the first one people photograph. At 7, the Anker Nano charging station. 100 watts of power packed into 3 AC outlets, 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A, and a retractable cord that tucks into the sides. LED display shows real-time wattage, $60. I counted 7 separate chargers behind my desk before this. Unplugged all of them. One unit now charges my laptop, phone, earbuds, and watch simultaneously. Cable graveyard, resurrected. Number 6. The GOOLOO A7. A 6,000 amp jump starter and a tire inflator in one device. Jumps any 12-volt engine, inflates a tire to 160 psi, charges your phone at 45 watts through USB-C. $150. My buddy's truck died at a campsite last month. We were driving again in 4 minutes. This replaced 3 separate emergency tools in my trunk. Every man should have one of these. Top 5. This is where it gets ridiculous. If you're still here, tap like. Takes 1 second and helps other guys find this. Number 5. The Clicks keyboard. A physical QWERTY keyboard that snaps onto your iPhone. Actual clickable keys on your phone in 2026. It turns your iPhone into a BlackBerry that runs iOS. $139. I typed an entire email without a single autocorrect disaster. Emails, notes, long texts. Your thumbs remember what real buttons feel like. If you grew up with a BlackBerry, this is your comeback moment. At 4, the Amazfit Helio. A titanium smart ring that tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep without a subscription. No monthly fees, ever. Under 4 grams, 10 ATM waterproof, 4-day battery. $183. I wore this for a week and forgot it was there. It looks like a regular ring. Nobody knows it's tracking your health. That's the point. It vanishes into your life. Number 3. The GilletteLabs heated razor. A heating bar built into the blade hits 122 degrees in under 1 second. Every stroke feels like a hot towel shave at a barbershop. Magnetic wireless charging dock sits on your counter. $140. I've used this for 2 months and I genuinely cannot go back to a cold blade. It's not about the shave, it's about how the shave feels. That warmth is addictive. Remember the gadget I said sees through walls? That's number 2. And number 1? Your finger is about to replace every key you own. Number 2. The Walabot DIY 2. Pair it with your phone and it uses radar imaging to see through your walls. Studs, pipes, wires, all visible on your screen in real time, up to 4 inches deep. $207. Last time I hung a TV mount, I drilled straight into a wire because my stud finder was useless. This would have saved that moment and the electrician bill. If you own or rent a place, this is the most useful tool you didn't know existed. The number 1 next-level gadget every man needs is the SwitchBot Lock Ultra, $210. Here's why this wins. First, your fingerprint unlocks your door in 1/3 of a second. No keys, no phone, no fumbling. Walk up, touch, you're in. Second, it installs over your existing deadbolt in 10 minutes with 0 drilling. Renters, homeowners, anyone. Your landlord won't even know it's there. Third, it doesn't just replace keys, it replaces the anxiety of losing them. Fingerprint, passcode, app, Apple Watch, Alexa. 5 ways in, 0 ways to get locked out. Your finger is the only key you'll never lose. Which gadget are you buying first? Comment below. If this saved you from wasting money on the wrong stuff, hit like. It helps more guys find this. Subscribe. I test these so you don't have to. Next video has gadgets your car is begging for. All links below. The best upgrade is the one you actually use.